hope all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fractions. In the previous class, we had learnt the addition of like fractions. In class 4, we shall study the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of all types of fractions. Okay. So first, addition of like fractions. To add like fractions, we first add the numerators and write the common denominator. So sum of fraction is what? Sum of numerators upon common denominator. Okay. We do not do the sum of denominator, we just write the common denominator in case of like fractions, right? Let's see the example. We have to add 2 by 3, 3 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 6 by 11. So we will just add numerators. This is 11. Okay. 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 upon common denominator, which is 11. Okay. Now 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 6, 16 by 11. Okay. So 16 by 11 is the answer, or you can also convert this fraction into mixed fraction. So you will get 1 whole 5 by 11. Okay. Similarly, you will add this example also. Okay. Next, addition of unlike fractions. For the addition of unlike fractions, we follow these steps. Step 1, we find the LCM of the denominators. Step 2, we express the given fractions with the LCM as denominator. Step 3, we add the numerators of these equivalent fractions. And step 4, we write the answer in the lowest terms. Okay. So first one is 3 by 5 and 7 by 8. We have to find the sum of these two fractions. Okay. 3 by 5 plus 7 by 8. Okay. But now denominators are different, so we cannot add them up like we were adding like fractions. So first we will find LCM. LCM of what? LCM of denominator. 5 and 8 is equals to 40. Okay. So your LCM is 40. Now you will make, how will you make this denominator 40? By multiplying it by 8. So we will also multiply 3 by 8. Okay. So 3 into 8 plus, for making this 40 you will multiply by 5 and we will also multiply this by 5. So 7 into 5. 3 8s are 24, 7 5s are 35 upon 40. Okay. And after adding, we will get 59 by 40. Now convert this into mixed fraction. You will get 1 whole 19 by 40. Okay, students. Similarly, you will do this example also. Addition of a whole number and a fractional number. See, 4 plus 2 by 3. This is whole number, this is a fractional number. Okay, so how will you write it? 4 whole 2 by 3. That is 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14 by 3. This is the answer. Okay. Or alternative method is also there. What you can do is, what will you do in this case? See, 4 plus 2 by 3. Okay. Now you will write here 1. Okay. Now take the LCM. LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. To make this 3, we will multiply it by 3 and we will also multiply 4 by 3. Then plus 3 is already here. Okay. 4 3s are 12 plus 2 by 3. That is 14 by 3. See, the sum is same in both the cases. Okay. Next, addition of mixed fractional numbers. For the addition of mixed fractional numbers, there are two methods. Method 1, first convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions and then add them. Okay. So, example is given to us, 2 whole 1 by 2 plus 3 whole 1 by 3 plus 4 1 by 4. So, first what we have to do is, we have to convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10 by 3 plus 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17 by 4. Okay, now what will we do? We will take LCM. LCM of 2 3 4. What will be the LCM of 2 3 4? Let's find out. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 3 1 3 1 1 1. 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So, the LCM is 12. Now, make the denominator 12. To make this number 2, 12, we will multiply by 6. So, we will also multiply 5 by 6. To make 3, 12, we will multiply by 4 and we will also multiply 10 by 4. To make this 4, we'll multiply by 3 and we'll also multiply 17 by 3. Okay. Now 5 6 are 30 plus 4 10s are 40 plus 17 3s are 51. Now we will add all these numbers. 30 plus 40, 70 plus 50, 1 is 121 by 12. Okay. Now you can also convert this number into mixed number. So you will get 10 whole 1 by 12. This is the answer. Okay. Okay. This was the first method, and what about the method 2? First we add the whole numbers and then add the fractions. Okay. So 2 whole 1 by 2 plus a 3 whole plus 3 1 by 3 plus 4 1 by 4. So first add whole numbers, 2 plus 3 plus 4, okay, and then 2 plus 3 plus 4 is what? 9. Then we will add the fractional numbers, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. So you will get LCM 12, you will multiply it by 6, you will multiply it by 4, so 4, and you will multiply it by 3. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 3, 13 by 12. Okay. Now convert it into mixed number, 1 whole 1 by 12. Now add this number and this mixed number. 9 plus 1, 1 by 12. This is whole number, so 9 plus 1 is 10, 1 by 12. Okay. In both the cases, you will get the same answer. Okay. Now let's do exercise 12.1. 6 by 13 plus 5 by 13 plus 2 by 13. What will you do in this case? You will add numerator and you will write the common denominator, okay, which is 13. 6 plus 5 is 11 plus 2 is 13. So 13 by 13, 13 by 13 is 1. Okay. Next, subtraction of fractions. Number 1, subtraction of like fractions. In the case of like fractions, the denominators are same. For subtracting like fractions, we find the difference between the numerators and write down the denominator as it is. Example, subtract 3 by 8 from 7 by 8. Okay. So you will subtract 3 by 8 from 7 by 8. Okay. Method is same. We will subtract numerator and will write common denominator. So 4 by 8 or 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay. Next, subtraction of unlike fractions. For the subtraction of unlike fractions, we follow the given steps. Step 1, change the given fractions into equivalent like fractions with the lowest common denominator. Step 2, take the difference of the new numerators and write it as the numerator of the difference. Step 3, write the lowest common denominator as the denominator of the difference. Write the fraction in the lowest term. Okay. So the working rule is difference of two fractions is what? Number of first into LCM divided by denominator of first minus numerator of second, and then in bracket LCM divided by denominator of second and upon LCM. Okay. See, 11 by 15 and 9 by 20. Okay. So first we will find the LCM of 15 and 20, which is given here 60. Okay. So denominator is 60, right? Now 11, to make it 60, you will multiply by 4, then you will have to multiply 11 by 4 also, then minus 9 into, you will multiply here by 3 and you will also multiply 9 by 3. 11 minus 4 is 44 minus 27 by 60, and the answer is 17 by 60. Okay, students. Similarly, you will do example 2 also. Okay. Now let's do exercise 12.2. 11 by 13 minus 5 by 13. What will you do? You will subtract numerator and write common denominator. Okay. 11 minus 5 is 6, 6 by 13. Right. Next, miscellaneous problems of an addition and subtraction. You have to simplify. Okay. There is subtraction also and there is addition also. So what will you do? See, first you will take LCM. Okay. Because these are unlike fractions. Okay. 3 by 8 minus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 6. Okay. So first take LCM of 8, 4 and 6, which is 24, right? Now LCM is 24. You will multiply here, means number 8 by 3. So you have to multiply 3 by 3. minus. To make it 24, you will multiply 4 by 6, then 1 into 6 plus. To make it 24, you will multiply by 4 and you will also multiply 5 by 4. 3 3s are 9 minus 6 plus 20 by 24. Okay. Now, what will you do? See, 9 minus 6 is 3 plus 20 by 24. You will get 23 by 24. Okay. Exercise 12.3. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by minus 1 by 4. Okay. Let's take the LCM of 2, 3 and 4. Okay. 2, 3 and 4. LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is 12. Okay. 12. So 1 into 6 plus 1 into 4 minus 1 into 3. 6 plus 4 minus 3 by 12. 10 minus 3 is 7 by 12. So 7 by 12 is the answer. Now, word problems in addition and subtraction of fractions. Example 1, Ramesh bought 2 kg of potatoes and 1 whole 3 by 4 kg of tomatoes and 1.5 kg of onions from the market. Find the total weight of the vegetable he has bought. Okay. Ramesh bought 3 kinds of vegetables and we have to find the total weight of the vegetables which he bought from the market. Okay, so what will we do? We will add the weight of potato, first we will write weight of potato, then weight of tomatoes, weight of onions, and then we will add all these weights. Okay, and in this way we will get the total weight of the vegetables. Okay, let's do exercise 12.4. Out of his salary, Mr. Kesar spends 2 by 5 on food, 3 by 10 on rent and 2 by 15 on clothing. What fraction of his salary does he spend on food, rent and clothing? Okay. So we have to find the total fraction of his salary which he is spending on food, rent and clothing. So what will we do in this case? We will add all the numbers which are given here. Okay. Okay, now fraction of a salary spent on food. How much he spends? 2 by 5. Fraction of salary spent on rent is equals to 3 by 10, and fraction of salary spent on clothing. How much? 2 by 15. Okay. Now we have to find out the fraction of salary he spends on food, rent and clothing. Okay. So total 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10 plus 2 by 15. Okay. First, what will you do? You will take the LCM of 5, 10 and 15. Okay. Let's take the LCM of 5, 10 and 15. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Okay. 5 2s are 10 and 10 3s are 30. That means LCM is 30. Okay. LCM is 30. Okay. So LCM of 5, 10 and 15 is 30. Okay. Now we have 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10 plus 2 by 15. LCM 30. To make it 30, we'll multiply by 6. Here also we'll multiply by 6. 12 plus you will multiply here by 3 and here also 3. 9 plus here you will multiply by 2. Here also 2. So 4. 12 plus 9, 21. 21 plus 4, 25 by 30. You can also reduce it to lowest term. 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30. So 5 by 6 is the answer. Means 5 by 6 fraction of his salary he spends on food, rent and clothing. Okay. Next topic is multiplication and division of fractions. Multiplication of fractions. Rule. When we multiply two fractions, the product has a numerator, that is the product of the numerators of the fractions, and it has a denominator, that is the product of the denominators of the two fractions. Example 1, find the product of the following. Okay. See, you have to find the product of 3 by 2 into 7 by 4. So what will you do? You will multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. 7 3s are 21 and 4 2s are 8. Now convert, you can convert it into mixed number also. So you will get 2 5 by 8. Okay. Example 2. Find the following. 2 by 5 of a rupee. Okay. You know that 1 rupee is equals to how much paise? 100 paise. So 2 by 5 of, we will write 100 paise. 2 by 5 of means into 100. Okay. So you will multiply 2 by 100, 200 by 5, that is 40 paise. Okay. Now reciprocal fractions. Two numbers whose product is 1 are called reciprocals of each other. The reciprocal of a given fraction is that fraction which when multiplied by the given fraction gives the product 1. Okay. So write down the reciprocal of the fractions of the following. Okay. So reciprocal of 3 by 8 is 8 by 3. 1 by 7 is 7. 5. Reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5, and reciprocal of this mixed number is first convert into mixed improper fraction 10 by 3, and then reciprocal will be 3 by 10. Okay students, see 3 by 8 and reciprocal of it is 8 by 3. If we multiply them, the product we get is 1. Okay. Exercise 12.5. Multiply the following fractions. 5 by 7 into 2 by 5. Okay. You will multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. 5 2s are 10. 7 5s are 35. Okay. Now you can reduce it to lowest term. 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35. So 2 by 7 is the answer. Okay. Next, word problems on multiplication of fractions. A book consists of 54 pages. Amit reads 2 by 3 of this book in a week. How many pages did he read? Okay. So total number of pages are 650 there. Pages Amit reads 2 by 3 into 654. Okay. So what will you do? You will multiply these two numbers and then will divide by 3, or you can also reduce it to lowest term. See, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, and 3 8s are 24. So you will multiply 2 into 218, you will get 436 pages. Okay. Let's do exercise 12.6. Amarpreet weighs 48 kg. If his younger sister weighs 9 by 16 of Amarpreet weights, find her weight. Okay. Weight of Amarpreet. Weight of Amarpreet is 48 kg. Okay. Weight of Amarpreet's sister. Weight of his sister is what? 9 by 16 of Amarpreet's weight, and Amarpreet's weight is how much? 48 kg. Okay. So 9 by 16 into 48 kg. 16 1s are 16, 16 3s are 48, 9 3s are 27. So 27 kg. This is the weight of his sister. Okay. Of his younger sister. Next, division of fractions. Rule. To divide a fraction by another fraction, the first fraction is multiplied by the reciprocal of the second fraction. Okay. Example, you have to divide 3 by 5 divided by 4 by 7. So 3 by 5. So what will you do? According to the rule, the first fraction is multiplied by the reciprocal of the second fraction multiplied by, and the what is the reciprocal of this fraction? 7 by 4. Okay. So the answer is 3 7s are 21, 5 4s are 20. Okay. Word problems on division. The product of two numbers is this. If one of the number is given, find the other number. Okay. So what will you write? First you will write product of two numbers which is given. Product of two numbers is 16 2 by 3, that is 50 by 3. Okay. One number is 5 2 by 5, that is 27 by 5. So we have to find other number. What will you do? You will divide this number, which is 50 by 3, by this number. Okay. 50 by 30, then do the reciprocal and multiply. Okay. So 50 into 5 is 250 and 27 into 3 is 81, and you will write then it into mixed numbers. Okay. Let's do exercise 12.7. Simplify. 5, okay, 5 by 7 divided by 9 by 14. So 5 by 7, and we will do the reciprocal of this fraction, but we'll put the sign of multiplication. 14 by 9. Okay, 9 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 5 twos are 10 by 9, and now you can convert it into a mixed number, 1 whole 1 by 9. Okay, student. So this is the answer, and now you will do the practice of the remaining questions.